Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you some images which I edited in Photoshop because I wanted to illustrate how the PlayStation 5 console could have looked like with different colors. This image is of the original PlayStation 5 and the controller, and what you're going to see afterwards are just fabricated colors which I created using Photoshop to illustrate how the PlayStation 5 could have looked like with different colors. So which color you prefer? Tell me in the comment section below. Enjoy.